It may seem inconvenient to bring all of your paint and brush collections while traveling to school or somewhere far from your place. But thankfully, there are the best brush tip markers obtainable in the market. Since they have compact sizes, carrying them anywhere is a lot easier. Moreover, by using these highly functional and all-around art tools, it will be so easy to work on a vast selection of art projects and techniques. Several activities such as coloring, drawing, making calligraphy, and drawing become innovative and enjoyable with the right brush tip marker set. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best brush tip markers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pentel Art Sign Pen Touch. If you like creating different art projects using various purely saturated colors, the Pentel Sign Pen Brush Flexible Point might be an exceptional choice. This high-quality set is available in 12 colors, and it is indeed one of the most trustworthy brush markers available. Each brush tip marker in this set can be used for both large or small sized surfaces, as they are all easy to control. Meaning, this set is quite ideal even for beginners and aspiring artists. Moreover, since the pigment is very rich, each color gives a gorgeous striking effect. I am amazed by the fact that even though these colors are vibrant, they still don't bleed through the surface I'm working on. You also won't have to worry about leaving these brush tip markers uncapped, as they will not dry out, even if their tips are exposed. However, I have observed that the colors of some artworks I did have faded over time. So, I had to reapply using these brush tip markers to maintain the color saturation. Number 2. Colorful Art Company Brush Pens. This 20-pack watercolor brush pen by Colorful Art Company might be an excellent option in terms of injecting a huge vibrancy to your artworks, paintings, and calligraphy. These brush pens are all blendable and smudge-free. The Croc pen included in this set is used to blend and create gradients. With this art tool, you can combine various hues without any difficulty. Moreover, the water-soluble pigment of the watercolor brush pen can be safely layered and mixed even after it dries. All of the brush pens in this set have excellent grips, and they are all easy to control. This set is indeed one of the perfect brush pens for beginners. This set also comes with an organizer container with individual sections to hold each watercolor brush pen. I like how this set is very easy to carry anywhere I go. All of the art tools are stored in a very compact container. The downside, on the other hand, is that it tends to quickly dry out when left uncapped. It is advisable to put its cap back immediately after every usage. Anyhow, this set of watercolor brush pens is still an excellent choice for exhibiting your art projects and known techniques. Number 3. Magicfly Dual Tip Brush Pens. Are you fond of creating your art in numerous colors? Well, this set by Magicfly might be the perfect option for you. It comes with 100 dual tip brush pens. It's so amazing that you can perform your art using 100 high-quality colors, right? This unique set of brush tip pens are non-toxic and acid-free, making it suitable for children. All of them are also unscented and guaranteed safe to use. This set of artiste dual tip brush markers allows me to easily sketch and write in both thick and thin lines. It vastly provides excellent flexibility and versatility in terms of creating different designs, styles, and patterns. Since it has numerous color options, it will never be difficult to achieve different types of painting and try various art techniques. It is also undoubtedly perfect for making doodles and illustrations. You can even use it for journaling. Moreover, it isn't hard for me to store them because the set comes with a portable storage bag. The only drawback is that the brush tip is not that durable. It tends to shed over time. Therefore, this set is considered a great choice if you like to use different types of unique colors in your art activities. Number 4. Crafty Croc Watercolor Brush Pens. Do you like making experiments in your art projects? Well, this 24-pack set of watercolor brush pens by Crafty Croc might be the right choice for your artistic needs. All of the brush pens in this set can be smoothly blended. Creating light to dark gradients is so easy to achieve. This almost works like a typical watercolor paintbrush, but I observe that it offers more unique and incredible results. All of the colors, designs, styles, and illustrations that come to my mind can be easily accomplished using these 24 vibrant brush pens. Moreover, it includes 2 blendable water brushes. The main brush is a large size one, and the other brush has a smaller size, which is designed for added precision. I can even use these to smoothen and spread the colors of my crayons and watercolor pencils. Number 5. MISULOVE Metallic Brush Marker Pens. Are you fond of using metallic colors in your artwork? Well, this set of metallic brush marker pens by MISULOVE could be an ideal option for you. It offers an elegant metallic color effect on any surface type. I love how it adds sparkle and enrichment to my art projects. This set contains 10 metallic colors: bronze, blue, silver, gold, red, purple, sea green, white, and black. One of my personal favorites is the white color. It initially applies to the surface transparently, but it impressively turns opaque once it dries. It is perfect for dark-colored papers. The medium soft brush tips work like a top-grade paintbrush. They do not need to be shaken to properly dispense ink. Moreover, the high-quality tip allows me to create either bold, medium, or fine strokes. The ink flows smoothly and without skipping. I notice that they dry out easily when they are stored in either a low or high-temperature place. Therefore, there are two unique things in these metallic brush tip markers that make them a great option. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.